God that can know God, it is God that can bring God, it is God that can identify God, and it is God that can be God only. That can be done only with the prayer. There is no any other way out and no any other solution. Today, Krishna Jayanti, Janmashtami is there. Krishna consciousness is consciousness of Rang Avadhut Babji. Krishna consciousness is the consciousness of Lord Jesus Christ, and Krishna consciousness is the universal consciousness. One Kathakar, Dongreji Maharaj, you might be knowing and you must have heard also. Very ardent Rishi of this Kali Yuga. We haven't seen Kashyap, Gautam, Parasar, Bharadwaj, Valmiki, Vyas, but we have seen Dongreji Maharaj. And sitting on the pedestal like Bapuji, apparently ordinary man, apparently unassuming personality, apparently very simple, downtrodden Rishi, but sitting on his pedestal, presenting Srimad Bhagavad, the Leela of Lord Krishna, before the society, before the audience, used to offer his prayer first. And with folded hands, Dongreji Maharaj, sitting on his Vyaspit, spiritual pedestal is Vyaspit. Ordinary pedestal is the pedestal of power. Ordinary pedestal is a pedestal of prosperity. Ordinary pedestal is a throne. But it is a supreme power that can be expressed only through the pedestal of the divine. That is Vyaspit. From where knowledge is generated, from where insight is generated, from where power of sadhana is generated, from there Rusitva is generated, from there divinity is generated, and from there light is generated, where in Bible it is so claimed and said, let there be light, and there was light. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Light is jyoti and jyoti is light. Our march is from darkness to light. Our march is from falsehood to truth. Our march is from mortality to immortality. And our march is from physicality to divinity. Only prayer can accelerate our movement. Only prayer can drive us on this single track, on this rightful track, on this universal track, on this divine track. While presenting Srimad Bhagavad and Leela of Lord Krishna, Dongreji Maharaj used to offer his prayer first before starting and addressing the audience. Now we will give you only one verse from Dongreji Maharaj, wherein Vyasji has given definition and Sri Aurobindo has called it master act. Act of the master, for the master, by the master, for the people, for the existence. Who can do prayer? Can we do prayer with our mind? Can we do prayer with our logic? Can we do prayer looking to our purse? Can we do our prayer looking to the welfare of our children? No. Unless and until you open up yourself internally, you cannot pray. Prayer is the utmost difficult adventure of consciousness. It is utmost difficult. And those who are the masters of consciousness can pray. We cannot do, Bapuji can do it on behalf of us. He can do it. And with the result, these children and these young kids are here. You people are here. He can do it. It is consciousness that can do it. And Dongreji Maharaj, while offering his prayer, recites Bhagavad Stuti. Datta Bhavani is a stavan. Datta Bhavani is a prayer. Datta Bhavani is a verse. Datta Bhavani is a Sanjeevani. Datta Bhavani is Bhaktavar Stotra of Jain Darshan. Datta Bhavani is alchemic touch to our impure nadis, impure channels within our body. Dongreji Maharaj offers. And let us have the prasadi of Dongreji Maharaj today on Janmashtami, and we also offer our prayer to the consciousness of Lord Krishna, to the consciousness of Ranga Uddhav Babji, and consciousness of Lord Jesus Christ. Kararvindena padarvindam mukharvinde viniveshayantam vatasya patrasya pute sayanam balam mukundam manasa smarami. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayana Vasudeva, Jihave Pibaswamrutameta Deva, Govinda Damodar Madhaveti, Sukhavasane idameva gneyam, Dukhavasane idameva saram, Dehavasane idameva japyam, Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Thousands and thousands and thousands are names given to you, but my mind is just like a banyan tree, leaf of a banyan tree. It's very small. How can I get your vision? How can I get your presence? How can I get you installed in my very smallest portion of mind? Mental consciousness is very limited consciousness. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, divine cannot be installed into our mind, and with all projections of our own which we have accumulated idiotically since so many births together. All impurities are there. How can I offer my mind to you? How can I offer my seat to you? How can I get my mind converted into your divine pedestal? It is just like a very small leaf of a banyan tree. Vatasya patrasya pute sayanam. But you have granted me this occasion. You have granted me this insight. You have drawn me to this level. Lord, take me to still a further step. Take me to still a further destination. You just make my mind pure, perfect, and widen. And get yourself so concentrated, just like an atom, nucleus, protons, neutrons. You can make yourself so small, so small, so small that you can be rightly, appropriately, and completely installed into my mind. Though my mind, the horizon of my mind is very limited. Then only I can mansa smarami. Then only I can have your smara with the means of my mind. Then only I can offer my prayer with the means of my mental channel. Unless God graces and unless we receive the grace of the divine, we cannot make our mind instrumental and offer it to the divine for prayer even. So prayer is being done by divine. Prayer is being determined by the divine, and prayer is being granted by the divine. So we are nothing as compared to this. Total surrender without reservation. If we can surrender to the divine totally, and if we can surrender our mind also totally to the divine, then only we can have this prayer. Doesn't matter. We know how to spell it out, how to draft, how to speak it out, whether to speak it out rightly or wrongly, with right pronunciation or wrong pronunciation, with grammatical mistakes or so what, doesn't matter. In whichever manner we want to offer our prayer to the divine, we should offer it to the divine, but our wide sincerity should be absolutely untainted. It should be absolutely untainted. Then it can be heard. And Mother says of Pondicherry, sincere prayers are always heard. That is white sincerity which is required. In Christianity, one illustration is very popularly given. In the city of Jerusalem, one ardent Christian is there, going every Sunday to the church, offering his prayer to Lord Jesus Christ.